Does history really repeat itself? If the previous century repeats itself, we could have World War III. So hop in your foxholes, load your gun, and don't shoot until you see the whites of their Let's Blender. Okay, hopefully this one works without me having to do much. Right, okay. Ta-da! We picked up a piece of gold from the ground. Don't put that in your mouth. You don't know where it's been. So, now, let's do the start inventory. Let's just comment out the gold. This will be fun, I think. I hope. Okay. And that block falls a little slow. So, why is there gold in my thing? Okay. Wrong one. Oops. Ops. And we have no gold. Bandits stole all our gold. And there's one gold bar. So, we have our inventory, we can move things around, we can pick things up off the ground, brush them off, and stick them in our inventory. Everything updates, more or less. Now, I can go ahead and tweak a few things to make it update a little faster. Now, I'm running this off of a thumb drive. So let's close it. reopen it, hit play, hit space. Hey, that's pretty fast. Now it does flash up sometimes that there's text instead of turning straight to the number, and we need a back area, and we need to make sure that this mouse pointer thingy will follow me wherever I go. But for now, it's doing pretty good. So this has a mouse and a click sensor hooked up to a module inventory control dot to inventory. This one has the same thing. Turned up the frequency on this one just in case and made it tap. You don't really have to do that, but it works for me. I'm pretty much just gonna do the cheapest thing I can. This is me being as lazy as I possibly can. I made the background and I gave it index, the index property. It needs this to go away. Okay. That should work. Let's make it invisible. And there we go. It follows our mouse. Only problem is, we can pick things up while we have our scene up, which, if you've got a game like Minecraft or something similar where the game doesn't pause when you open up the inventory, that's fine. But later on, I'm probably going to center this during gameplay and have it to where the world pauses when you bring up the menu. But this allows us to pick up items, move them around, just do whatever we want. So aside from some tweaks and a few modifications, that should be it for this series. I hope you can take this knowledge and apply it to many other things.